Bonjour. So today what I want to talk about is la succession. So la succession is something very simple in English. When you think about succession, you think about after going, before going, after eating, before eating, things of that nature. In French, sorry, it follows the structure is kind of identical, but there are like a few differences. First of all, depending on whether we use avant or après, so before or after, we are going to change the verb slightly. So, like I was saying in English, I would say something like before eating, I will go see Tom. I will go to Tom's house. So, in French, we are going to use avant de. Okay, avant de that we have here. And as you all know, because we have that de here, we can only use one of these. These are the infinitives. So we can only use the ER form for the ER verbs, IR for the IR verbs, and all the other infinitives like être. Okay? So basically, this is my sentence right here. Avant de manger, je vais passer chez Tom. Before eating, I will go see Tom. Avant de partir, before leaving, maybe I leave the country. Avant de partir, je vais passer chez Tom. Before leaving, I will go see Tom. Now, I chose these two things for only one reason. Because I want to remind you that in the case we have a vowel, like these two, this is going to become the apostrophe. Avant d'être, avant d'acheter, bla bla bla, je vais passer chez Tom. So as you can see, it's very easy. Whenever you have avant de, well, whenever you want to say before something, before going, before leaving, before eating, you have to use avant de and the infinitive. Let's take a look at the other one, après avoir. So as you can see, après avoir is slightly different. So après avoir means after. But in this case, we have a verb. We have a second verb. We have the verb avoir. And because we have avoir here, we are going to use one of these, a past participle. So after eating in French is going to become après avoir mangé, je vais passer chez Tom. After buying the bread, après avoir acheté le pain, je vais passer chez Tom. Après avoir fini mes devoirs, je vais passer chez Tom. Après avoir été chez ma grand-mère, je vais passer chez Tom. So this again is very easy. Just keep in mind that you have to use the past participle. But what happens if we use something like parti? Is it going to be the same? Well, not quite, because if we use parti, and if you remember, the verb partir in the passé composé requires être. So in this case, you are going to use the infinitive of être. Après être parti, je vais passer chez Tom. And of course, if je is a woman, guess what happens? You need to add the little e at the end. So this is it for the succession in French. Keep in mind that succession, avant de, we use infinitive. Après avoir, we use the past participle. And the only difficulty is that with avoir, if of course we use verbs like parti, we use verbs like aller, we use verbs like venu, venir, we need to use être. And of course, make the past participle agree accordingly. My lesson is over. Merci.